Happy Teacher Appreciation Week! My name is Susie and I started a small business called Sunnyside Makery using my Glowforge. In honor of Teacher Appreciation Week, I'd like to show you one of my favorite teacher gifts, personalized clipboards. As a teacher myself, clipboards are one thing I find I am always using, and having a cute engraved clipboard has been a game changer for me because the design doesn't peel off, it doesn't tear off, and it doesn't fade. My personal clipboard that I've been using I made it about a year ago and it looks just as good as when I made it. One great thing about using these cheap craft board clipboards from Walmart is that you can just use the medium draft board settings on your Glowforge to engrave. You don't have to try to experiment with fancy settings, although of course you can. But I just use medium draft board settings. The only tricky thing about making these clipboards is you will need to bolster this clipboard up on the side without the clip, just to make sure that it's flat. For mine, I just used a couple of tiny magnets, but when I bolstered this up, it did make the height of the clipboard about 0.5 inches, which was too high to keep my clipboard on my crumb tray. I needed to remove my crumb tray, added about 0.9 or so inches of scrap wood, and then I was able to put my clipboard and the magnets on those scrap pieces of wood and then engrave using the medium draft board settings. I always like to use the set focus button just to make sure that my object is within a good range of the Glowforge, and also to make sure that my object isn't going to get bumped into or it's not going to move around, especially if I'm doing anything that's a little bit wonky, like bolstering something up on magnets. That way I make sure that my product is good to go and it's not going to get accidentally ruined once I do start cutting or engraving and press that magic button. So you can go ahead and watch the time lapse if you'd like. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I hope you have fun creating. Thank you for watching.